Tenant states, the freezer makes a ticking noise. That looks like somebody might have left the door open. So what I am exploring is this little white cap right there to the left. There seemed to be some ice buildup underneath it, and that cap was coming in contact while it was spinning and making that ticking noise. So I just need to clear some ice out of there, get it all replaced. I imagine at some point the tenant left either the fridge or freezer door open a little bit and allowed that ice to start building up. So just cleared it out, got rid of the noise. Seems to be working just fine now. And just like that, we're on to the next one.